If your Chevy Blazer's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out, it's usually a simple software glitch or a cable issue. Statistically, over 85% of connection drops are caused by using a cable that isn't MFI certified. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by deleting the pairing on both your phone and the car before performing a hard infotainment reset. Check your charging port for lint and ensure your iPhone software is completely up to date. If you use wireless CarPlay, disable any active VPNs as they often block the local Wi-Fi connection. A wired connection is generally more stable, though it relies heavily on the physical condition of your cable. Replacing the cable resolves the issue for the vast majority of Blazer owners. If problems persist, try a full power cycle of both the vehicle and your phone at the same time. If none of these work, you may need a firmware update for the HMI module from a certified dealer. Remember, the simplest fix is usually the right one. Start with a brand new cable. Hopefully this gets your Blazer back on the road with a steady connection. Drive safe.